Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the third standard English. Let us read Unit 1, the term 3 in this let us read page number 17. Here's the story about the king and the angel. So a king wanted to build a new palace. Once there lived a king. King na theriyum raja illaya. So he wanted to build a new palace. Palace means aranmane. Oru pudusa kattanum he liked it. I want a big palace. So he gave the orders to the minister. I want a big palace with wooden pillars. Find the biggest tree and cut it. So he ordered his minister, you want to build a palace? No. So for that, and the palace, he want to build it with a wooden pillars. Adada maratalana thoongal. Okay. Find the biggest tree. Adanala or periya tree, biggest tree and cut it, he said. Yes, my lord, the minister said. They found a big neem tree. So, in the forest, they found a big neem tree. Neem tree na vepamaram. Neem tree to cut. So, they cut Cut the tree for the king. So, they said, cut the tree and the maratha vittungan. At that time, some of the people, those who are living there in this place, no. So, they came and pleaded. Pleaded na kinjinanga. What they asked, oh, please don't harm the tree. It is the oldest tree in the town. It saves us from falling sick. So in the please don't harm the tree. And the tree ku kedudal pannadinga, cut pannadinga. Adu vandu it's the oldest tree, very oldest na pazhaya tree in the town. Romba kaalama romba varshama irukadhu. It saves us from falling sick. You know very well about the neem tree, yeah. And the leaves vandu it's very useful for us for the medicinal value of the tree. So sick anaka and the trees sometimes that chicken pox, malaria and the marijuana, they will give this neem tree leaves, and we will not let you cut the tree. So people are saying we will not let you cut the tree. Naanga tree cut panna vida maatom. What these soldiers are telling? No, it is the king's order. Idu vandu arasanuடைய order. Again, what they told, the ministers and all, they went and said, they went to the king and told about the tree and the people. So, they ellarum poi king kitta solranga, engala tree cut panna vida maatranga and tell about the people. I will come with you to cut the tree. What the king said, now ungaloda the tree cut panna varan. So later what that night, the angel, so evening they are telling, and the night time, tomorrow only the king will go and cut the tree. So during the night time, the king got a dream. That night, the angel came in the king's dream. Our king got a karavla, angel. You know the angel. My lord, I am the angel of the tree. Now, in the trees, angel, Devadi. I am home to many birds. So, on the trees, birds, some of the birds will come and stay as a home. And there are many small trees near me. Nearby, also small trees will be there. So many may come and rest in my shade. So on the branches, so there will be shade. It will be give us a very beautiful and it's a pleasure. And also many come and rest in my shade. Please do not cut me. So don't cut me. What the king is telling in the dream itself, he is telling, your wood is very good. On the neem tree, your wood is very good. I have to cut you. Illa na cut pannadam poren. King in the dream itself is telling. Okay, what the angel is telling? Okay, then cut me when it rains. So, appa enna solranga? Seri cut pannikonga. Eppo cut pannanga? Mazha peyyumbodhu when it rains. Cut me in 3 parts. 3 part cut pannunga. How many parts? 3 parts. First, my leaves. Enoda leaves alla first cut pannunga. Then my branches. Kelaigal solluvom illaya? Then you cut the branches. And then my trunk. Center la irukku illaya trunk. Adha cut pannunga. So in the 3 parts are cut panna solradhu. King enna kekranga, why do you say so? Yen appadi cut panna solringa? Ipo maratha cut panna veroda keela irundhu saipanga illaya? But the angel asked to cut in 3 parts. Why do you say so? The king asked. If you cut me only one time, then I may crush the birds and small trees. If full in the keela irundhu vettina, full tree will fall down, so that and the trees la irukra birds and keela irukra small trees ellame crash aidum, nothing idum. If I fall in 3 parts, so one part cut pannina, some of them will live. Konjam and the irukra matta onnona cut பண்ணும்போது it will take a time. So அந்த டைம்ல other what are the things என்னென்ன இருக்காங்களோ அந்த கொஞ்சம் people இருப்பாங்க வாழ்வாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. The king woke up. Suddenly the king என்ன பண்ணாங்க எழுந்துக்கிறாரு. இட்ஸ் எ ட்ரீம். he felt bad for the tree. ஸோ அந்த ட்ரீ வந்து இவ்வளோ உயிரை காப்பாற்றும் போது as a king he has to protect the trees also. So he said, don't cut the tree. ட்ரீயை கட் பண்ணாதீங்க. we should save all the trees. எல்லா ட்ரீஸையும் we have to save it. I will build my palace with rocks. ஸோ என்னோட பேலஸை நான் வந்து ராக்ஸ் கற்கள் வச்சு நான் கட்டிக்கிறேன். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஸ்டோரி அபவுட் த கிங் அண்ட் த ஏஞ்சல். ஸோ we should not cut trees, we should not harm trees. The trees are very helpful for us. ஈவன் ஒரு சின்ன செடியாக இருந்தப்போ it will grow as a tree. ஈவன் நீம் கூட நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சின்னதாக தான் முளைக்குது. Then it will be as a big tree. So every trees have the medicinal value. So this is the lesson for you. So, what learn the words, not all the words. Big palace, wooden pillars, biggest tree, then oldest, order. So these are the spellings. Angel, dream. So it's just like a story, very nice story. So get the books and learn this, children. Now we'll move on to the next. In your book exercise, they are given the circle the correct word. In this palace house, they are given one picture and you have to circle the correct word. Palace or house. This seems to be the palace. So you tick the palace. Here people, angel. This one the angel. So tick the answer angel. So here they are given the picture. From this picture, you have to choose which word is the correct word for this picture and then tick the answer. Okay. And now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks they are given. Fill in the blanks. The king wants to build a palace with. So எப்படி கட்டணும்னு நினைச்சாங்க? The king want to build a palace with a wooden pillars. What is that? Wooden pillars. So the king wants to build a palace with wooden pillars. The next one is the tree angel. The tree angel came in the king's dream. The tree angel came in the king's dream. Okay, children. So this is the fill in the blanks from this lesson. The king wants to build a palace with wooden pillars. The tree angel came in the king's dream. Only the two fill up they are given and just you go through this story. And now we'll go on to the big picture exercise, page number 81. So you have to buy the book, children. Then only you can be able to follow the exercises what all I have written on the board. Big picture, page number 81. Big picture. Okay, page number 81. So here they given the picture like this. One boy is here, is going to bed and is celebrating his birthday and is going to school and is come back to school and the flag hosting is going on and in library is reading and at the bedtime he is sleeping. So all these are doing by this boy. So they are asking the question. We have to write the answer. When does he get up? When does? So does vanda he gets in it. He gets up at 5 o'clock. Then when does he go to bed? He goes to bed at 9 o'clock. So I'll write a question. This is the question. When does he get up? He gets up at 5 o'clock. When does he go to bed? He goes to bed at 9 o'clock. When does he celebrate his birthday? He celebrates his birthday on date வரும்போது on தான் போடணும். So here they are given the date on 7th March. So on the calendar பின்னாடி date இருக்குல்ல, you can see the date children. And fourth one, when does his summer holidays begin? So நம்மளுக்கு எப்போ summer holidays begins? We know very well that is in April. When does his summer holidays begin? His summer holidays begins on which day? June. Sorry, April. School reopens only June. That's happening here. And the fifth one, when does the school reopens? When does his school reopens? His answer is his school reopens on June. And sixth one, when do we celebrate the Independence Day? When do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. August. Okay. Then 7th one. When does he visit library? That boy is visiting the library. So when does he visit? He visit the library. So when does he visit the library? Answer is He visits library on 29th January. 29th January. Okay. So these are the questions in the big picture. Can you understand, Silva? Okay, now we'll move on to the next one. So go through this question answers. This is the big picture. From the picture, we have to see this answer. Now we'll move on to the next one. Page number 79. Page number 82. Here in this I can do, they are given as a I can do. Page number 82. Here they are given, look at the picture and name it. A turtle, a coconut fiber and the coconut leaves. So we can write this is the turtle and this is the coconut fiber, teganar, and this is the coconut leaves. This is the first one. And second one, circle the words. Circle the words with CE. So CE in the words circle pannunga. So they are written cement, cedar, okay, cement, cedar, ice, nice and policy. So circle the words with CE. CE engangala irukko adha work pannam circle pan. So here CE is also there and here CICE, NICE. Okay, CE in the word mattum. Next, circle the words with CI. Circle the words with CI. So CI engangala irukku paakanum. They are given the words city, civil, spice, pencil and spicy. So here CI, CI எங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க. CI, CI, IC இதுவும் CI, இதுவும் IC. So CI னு முடியணும். CI, CIVIL, CI, PEN, CIL. இது ரெண்டும் வராது. Next, fourth one. Circle the words end with CY. Circle the words end with CY. So CY னு முடிகிற words. Circle the words end with CY. So they are given cycle, mercy, twice, circus, fancy. Okay, so CY னு முடியணும் இல்லையா? So we can circle those letters, words end with CY. End னு போட்டிருக்காங்க, அப்போ முடிகிறது தான். mercy, CY ல முடியுதா? Then fancy, only these two. The words end with. இங்கே வந்து words with CI ல இருக்கிற எல்லாமே circle பண்ணுங்க, CE ல இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே circle பண்ணுங்க. But in this CY ல word எங்கே முடியுதோ அதை மட்டும் circle பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Then recite the poem fully. Wonderful tree. Already I have told you. Okay. So now, seventh one. Seventh one. How will you ask me for a pen? Listen to the teacher. They are asking. Page number 83. Here. Seventh one enna kekranga. One boy is there. How will you ask me for a pen? How will you? This is the question. How will you ask me for a pen? ஸோ என்கிட்ட பென் இருக்குது. இப்போ எனக்கு பென்னு வேணுன்றதை எப்படி கேட்பீங்க? How to write this? Answer is, do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? இப்படி தான் கொஸ்டின் கேட்கணும். அப்போ நீங்கள் ஆன்சர் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Yes, I have. Okay. So, how will you ask me for a pen? Do you have a pen? அப்படிதான் கேட்கணும். Yes, I have. Answer பண்ணும்போது yes, I have. Then fill with. Look at the picture. இங்க picture கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So you have to look at the picture and fill with me, him, her or us. Okay, yeah. So on the picture பார்த்து him, her or me, us எழுதணும். So they are given she danced dash with dash. இங்கே வந்து ஒரு கேர்ள் பிக்சர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இங்கே she மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறதால she danced with her. My dad went so she danced with him. My dad went to market without அங்கே பாய் பிக்சர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. மீ என்ன விட்டுட்டு போயிட்டாங்கன்னு சொல்கிறீங்க. ஸோ யூ கேன் ரைட் அவர் டீச்சர் ஹெல்ப் அஸ். டீச்சர்னால் ஒரு கிளாஸில் குரூப்பாக இருக்கும்போது இருக்குது. ஹெல்ப் அஸ் எங்களுக்கு. ஓகே. தென் கௌரி ஆல்வேஸ் மேக்ஸ் ஹிம் லாஃப். கௌரி always makes him laugh. Okay. Next one, write the correct word. This is the last one we are going to say. Write the correct word. Page number, same page only. Ninth one, write the correct word. First one, can you help dash with homework? அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Homework. In the bracket they are given her or it. So you can write her. Can you help her? அவளுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியுமா? Lily likes to play carom. Lily likes to play carom with him or he? With him. So இங்கே bracketல he, இங்கே வந்து him. Then see. Abhi saw dash at the bus stop. அவளை நாங்கள் பார்த்தேன்னு சொல்கிறீங்க இல்லையா? at the bus stop. இப்போ என்ன வரும்? she இல்லைன்னா her. அப்போ என்ன வரும்? Abhi saw her. Then D, milk gives us energy. So dashல you have to put us, we இல்லைன்னா us. So you have to use us. Then we. Selvi brought me delicious food. That is I and me. Okay, so can you help her with homework? Her, it. Lily likes to play carom with him. He or him. He varakuda. Abhi saw her at the bus stop. She, her. Milk gives us energy. Selvi bought me delicious food. So here they given the options. You have to choose the options. And Choose the options and write the answer, children. So far we have completed the unit 1. Let us read and learn the poem. So go through all this. Okay, children? Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.